Hi guys, how are you doing? I wanted to look at weekly forecast on Gbpusd. We are going to do a quick top-down analysis on Gbpusd on what we'll be expecting from tomorrow, being 2nd of December 2024. I'm going to walk you through on what we'll be expecting and at a certain level that we're supposed to react in terms of taking our trades coming next week. Okay, let's start. Normally from top-down analysis, you need to start from the higher time frame to the lower time frame. Right, though it depends on the type of trader you are. If you're a day trader, you're a scalper or swing trader. Okay. Personally, I am a day trader. Sometimes I also swing, but it depends on what the structure showed me on the chart. Okay, let's just dive in. First of all, we need to our weekly time frame and see what we have on weekly time frame. Okay. So here we are on weekly time frame. As you can see, we are still on uptrend. If you can use a trend line here, you can see the price keep respecting the trend line, bouncing on the trend line. As you can see from here, is respected here and also respected this very trend line bounce as well, respected here, and also here we have another trend line bounce which price may respect coming next week. So on weekly time frame, you can simply see that we are on a bullish structure on weekly time frame. Okay, so now, like you guys all know, when we are on bullish structure, what we'll be looking more for is opportunity to buy. You understand? Opportunity to buy and on a certain level, on certain demand levels. Okay. Then let's get down to our daily time frame to see actually what daily time frame is showing us, for us to know exactly the structures we are supposed to be paying more attention on. Okay, so right here you see this very rejection here on daily time frame, signaling that there's a potential for this very trend line here to hold, and we'll consider this very structure here, which is a supply zone, which the price have already broken, signaling more bullish strength in the market. Okay, so this very structure has been broken. This very supply zone here has been broken. It's also a sign that the price want to continue on a bullish trend. Okay, we have seen also considered on the daily time frame that the price is also signaling a bullish structure. Okay, then we have to scale down also to our 4-hour time frame as well. See, now on 4-hour time frame, you can also see that the price is also creating a form of bullish structure as well, where you can see we are having a series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and here it comes new higher high. Okay, and once this very structure is being presented on the charts, the most important thing we're supposed to be doing at that point in time is for us to be looking for a buying opportunity. You understand? Like they said, trend with the trend, like the trend is your friend. You understand? So I have already identified on 4-hour time frame as well that price is also creating new bullish structures. Understand? So right now we have to come and mark our demand zones, our area of our entries where we will be looking for a potential entries. Okay, you don't actually need to enter blindfoldly. No, you need to see some confirmations as well before you finally pull the trigger. So right here, I'll be marking this area of demand where I will be expecting the price to come, and I'll be looking for a possible buy from these very zones. Okay. We also have another demand zone here as well. We'll be looking for possible buys as well. Okay. There is still possibility that price can still drop to this very zone before we actually see this very buy. Then notwithstanding, if you look at the daily time frame, you can as well change your line charts. You can see we have also support become resistance here, right? We have a support zone here broken, and now it will serve as our resistance here. So it's another confluence for me to consider that this very level will actually hold, because also we have already have our support become resistance here. Is another confluence we normally use to execute our trades. So come next week, I will be expecting price to drop to these very zones. When price get to these very zones, that is where I'll be looking for a possible long position. Notwithstanding, if you use your if you use your head and shoulder pattern, you see that even on a daily time frame, the price is actually creating something like head and shoulder pattern for those who trade head and shoulder pattern as well. Okay, price have already, if you can see right now, price have already broken the neckline, which is here, as well as we still have our support become resistance there. So these very confluence are actually giving me a stronger bias on this very GU come next week. So guys, I'll be giving you guys updates also on my Telegram channel, where I'll be letting you know exactly when I'm actually taking these buys on GU come next week. Okay, so this is what we'll be looking at for then. Next week, let's see how it plays. Okay, remember, don't just enter on just because price have already arrived on your demand zone. You just have to wait and see price action on those zones before you finally pull the trigger. Okay, so that's that on Gbpusd, and see you guys next week, and I wish you guys have a successful trading week.